It has become an annual affair, Sports Day at the Mount Olivet Home for Boys, with their corporate guardian, the Jamaica Information Service. Everyone looks forward to the final weekend in April outdoors, this year under partly cloudy skies in the cool hills of Walderston, Manchester. Staff and friends of the JIS were out in their numbers, engaging the children in competitive and healthy, fun activities.
We at the JIS, we are not just interested in their education, and we were interested in their whole total physical well-being as well.
The annual Sports Day is the second of 3 planned visits by the JIS each year as part of the agency's corporate outreach activities there. Arranged in 4 competitive houses defined by their colors, teams press to dominate their opponents in events such as the sprints, relays, sack races, football, tug-of-war, bun eating, and lime and spoon races.
There's a variety of reasons why we choose these events. Well, definitely recreation. We want them to get into the habit of doing physical work, exercising, playing sports, etc.
At the end of every challenging task, there's the euphoria of winning, which motivates.
Give it up for the red team!
The young men also learn to be strong in the face of defeat. It's the kind of camaraderie that contributes to the holistic development of the boys, which the home seeks to provide and the JIS is only too eager to support.
It is a good experience for them to, the sportsmanship and just sharing with regular families, the JIS family, the other families. We know that some of our boys, might not have met with their families for a while. So it is good that, as a family, not just the boys who are here at the home, but other family, people who care for them, will come and spend a day with them, helping them to have fun.
It's also about the link between physical activity and good health.
Being healthy and fit is a big part of preventing diseases, just to remain healthy generally.
Sports Day at the Mount Olivet Home for Boys has been going for 4 years now and just gets better every time.
2012 we started to do some good warm-up. The scores were not far and wide apart. Red won by about 9 points or 6 points.
JIS Special Projects Manager Andreen Davidson is happy for the support from its partners who have continued to give generously.
Well, we'd like to say a special thank you to Maxfield Bakery and Lasco distributors. They have come on board and they have supported us in a big way this time around, and we're just appealing to other persons who have an interest in the children of Jamaica to just come on board with the JIS as we try to enhance the lives of these boys here at Mount Olivet.
The JIS team's other scheduled visits to the home are in August for back-to-school preparations and December.
Well, we continue to say thanks to JIS and their family for spending the time to plan such an event for the boys and to journey in from Kingston and just helping the boys to just have a good time.
The Mount Olivet Boys Home was adopted by the JIS in 2009 and remains the agency's main corporate social responsibility project.